Hello everyone, happy Halloween! Today it's Halloween and this is the morning of Halloween. It's the getting ready for the big day. The goodies that are ready to go outside and get set up. This will all make sense in a few hours, but everything's pretty much ready. There's a control room, makeup area, our costumes, the tech, some vlogging gear, other stuff. This is all the trick-or-treat candy. Little snack table. And yeah, gonna start setting up, getting ready. Alright, let's see what time it is. Last time I started the vlog, it was about 10:30, 11 o'clock. It is now 2 o'clock almost. The screen and garage cover is up. And all the electronics for that are in place. The fog machine's in place. I'm still in the process of putting fog machines in place. Let's go outside. The food table is set up. Mary's adding the lights. I'm still doing some fog stuff up here. Fire pit's ready for later. Here's what it looks like. We put a bunch of pumpkins all over it. They're kind of falling off, but... So yeah, fog machines. I'm doing some fog testing. And what else do I have to do? Alright guys, I got my costume and makeup on. I think it's about 7 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock. We've had about 100 people come by almost already. Everything's running right now. Tiki torches, safety cones. One of them's off. They're like sensitive little things, like. All the animatronics are on. There's like a bunch of people. Oh, Mary's got food. Gobos are running. I think the fog bubbles are running. I can't. Yeah, they're running. There's lots of fog. Lots of fog.
This one's yours, baby.
Yeah, this one?
Yep.
Thank you, honey.
Here's your nappy.
Yeah.
Go ahead, take a break.
All good, all good. An ambulance just went by. It's so foggy. Is the big one still going? I don't know. I haven't had to refill them yet. I toned them down a little bit, so we won't go through the juice like in 1 hour. Look at how thick that fog is. I should probably check them soon though to see if I need to refill them. That's some fog. That's some fog, Mary.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
Yeah, we're skeletons tonight. It's a chilly night. I'm gonna go check the machines and see if I need to refill them. Alright guys, so it's what, a little bit after 8 o'clock, right? It's almost 9 o'clock. There's only been about 200 people, a little over 200 people that have come by. And we haven't even gone through 100 bags of candy yet for the children.
No.
Yeah, this has been one of those odd years. It happens. I mean, usually around 9 it slows down. My family has friends over that side of the display. We'll relocate over there when they leave, maybe. Start a fire. Good times. Alright guys, we're like, check out this. So see, I got a new cobweb. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's so dark. Maybe you can. It's a thin one. Oh look at, I don't think they came, did they?
Oh my gosh.
You better go get that. I think there's at least 4 new counts. Yeah. Okay, you guys. It's like after 10 o'clock now. Sam is now scary. I've had to fill up some of the fog machines. You can tell this isn't as thick. I took off my costume. It is, what time is it now, Mary? Let's check the good old watch. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. I still got the fog machines going. I turned off the sound effects. We turned off the toys. We're munching on whatever is left over from the party table. This area was pretty much where my parents' friends were hanging out the whole time. We were kind of hanging out down that way, over there. But things have died down. We're enjoying fire. This is the after party. we're probably gonna put on. You want to put on a movie? It's 11 o'clock now. Let's put on something because Halloween. We got 1 hour left of enjoyment. I still got some fog machines going on. I'll probably turn them off soon. Again, the haze bubbler was acting a fool. I might have to go take it in and get it serviced because I can only try to fix it so many times until I'm just like, I give up. Somebody else do it. But yeah, we'll still be out here for a while. We do have to move some things back inside and close the garage door, and I have to turn off those lights. I don't know if I'll get to turn off the spiderweb ones, but they're really not bugging anybody. They're just shining on the street. So they'll probably have to stay on for the night because I can't access those unless I turn them off now. And I don't want to turn them off now. You know what I mean? Because if I turn them off now, then I turn off everything right now.
Yeah.
And we could have this on a little longer. It's not that big of a deal. All right. I'm going to set up my laptop so we can put on a movie. All right, guys. So it is almost 12 o'clock. It actually probably is 12 o'clock.
It is 11:50.
Okay. We're just enjoying the fire. And we got Tales of Halloween, right?
Yes.
Playing.
It's a horror anthology movie that all takes place on Halloween.
And then, yeah, I turned off most of the fog machines. Just the two big ones are going. But in a little bit, we're going to start moving stuff up to here at least. Damn, that kind of the makeup she did is a pain in the... It sounds like somebody's still having a shindig out there across the lake. Well, we'll probably be out here till 1 o'clock. Hopefully not too late. These lights will stay up there. I will go up there to turn them on. I might not be able to turn off the ones up there because that's the master deck and the parents might be asleep by then. So this was cool. Yeah, this was a new one. The witch, she was a new one. And so were the webs out there. So yeah, those might stay on all night. I had those on the street. For like people to be able to see, kind of, for the people that are walking at least, because the golf carts just shine. Those lights are sometimes brighter than the car lights. There's all the lasers. And we had somebody come over that admired our stuff, and they want to be a hunter soon. Scary Farm.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll see him out there. You know, I couldn't believe how many people were really admiring the spider web. That was cool.
Yeah.
It is cool. I think it looks cool. Yeah, the fog bubbler didn't work. It needs to get serviced, or we need to get a new one or the other. That's the Jesus fog machine over there. You know what's funny, guys, is I was so worried about running out of juice. The Cumulus didn't even go through a whole gallon that it takes, or whatever it is. I did have to refill the big ones at least once, because I turned them down a little bit. I didn't want to run out so quick. Takes, I don't know. I only had to fill them up twice, though. The littler ones I had to fill up more, of course, but... The thing that I have to put a lot, though, is water in that Cumulus. Mm-hmm. And I tell you, I swear I could smell it. I thought it's supposed to have an automatic shut-off if there's not enough water in there, but yeah. Oh well.
Hey guys, look what I'm wearing.
Yeah, it's fun. We usually hang it down. Oh, whoa, 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 none of that. I got my Crocs on. I'm becoming a Croc person, at least at home. So you guys, it's after midnight. We've wiped off our makeup. We had about 286 people show up, give or take. We are cleaning up, getting rid of some of the expensive stuff, because we hear there be thieves around here. It's the darkest hours of the night. You guys, it's like always 2 in the morning. It takes us that long. Unfortunately, I can't turn off the spider web gobos. They're gonna have to stay on all night, but they're not super bright. I mean, can you guys even see them? I don't know. It's kind of dark. But we're just about done. Everything's cleaned up. We just have to take down the screen and move that cart inside. And Halloween is over for us. Wow. We're gonna just leave the egg sacs on, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think? I'm not going through, right? Just let them deplete. We will put new ones in next year. Batteries in next year. But yeah, that does it, guys, for this year's Halloween vlog. Yeah, there's the fire. And we're watching Elvira. Now, at this point. That's how long it's been. 2 movies. Alright, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Halloween. Happy end of haunt season. We actually are going to try to hit up Scary Farm and HHN. So hopefully you'll see those vlogs too. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Bye.